Ever wondered how to get more out of your AI chatbot? Most people just ask quick questions and move on, but real power comes from using smart prompts. These small instructions can turn your AI into a productivity partner, creative thinker, or personal coach. Here are 5 prompts that make your conversations smoother, smarter, and far more useful. First, summarize this article. Copy any long text, an article, report, or email, and ask your AI to summarize it. In seconds, you'll get key points or bullet summaries that save time and help you sound informed fast. Second, plan my day. Tell your AI what you want to get done. Plan my day with time for work, exercise, and family. It builds a balanced schedule so you stay productive without stress. Third, generate ideas for specific tasks. Perfect for brainstorming. Ask for ideas on business names, video topics, or quick dinners. The results spark new directions and creativity you might never reach on your own. Fourth, explain. Use this to learn anything. Explain blockchain, or explain taxes like I'm 5. Complex topics become simple, giving you confidence and clarity in minutes. Fifth, tell me a joke. Sometimes you just need a laugh. Ask for a clean joke or even a science pun. It reminds you that AI can be practical and fun. To recap, summarize this article, plan my day, generate ideas for explain, tell me a joke. Each prompt unlocks a different strength: productivity, creativity, learning, and humor. Use them daily and your chatbot stops being a simple Q&A tool. It becomes a true partner that helps you think, learn, and stay motivated. Try these out, personalize them, and watch how much more value you get from your AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.